Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Mongrels Garage. Today we're doing something a little bit different. It is springtime, and since it's springtime, it's time to start getting some of the yard equipment going. And we've got it strewn everywhere. And I want to get the yard cleaned up, so we're going to get the equipment going, then we're going to work on the yard. I might have to move the Cadillac out of the way, but let's come on over here. The first thing we're going to try to get going is the lawn tractor, the John Deere here. I'm going to try to get that fired up because then we can cut the lawn and stuff. So we're going to work on that. And then if you come into the garage, we got all sorts of things. We've got the self-propelled mower. And this one, uh-oh, don't want to turn, so it might be a little bit seized. We got the rototiller. Yeah. Oh, that one actually pulls. Let's take a look at that action. Might be able to get that one going. And we've got our generator that we'd like to get going. I'm not really sure what type of action we're going to get out of this. Does this have a pull cord? Yep. Yeah. Okay, yeah, we're in about the same boat with that one. Might have to work on that a little bit. So we got two things that have seized motors on them. And then we got a few things that we should be able to get going pretty easily. So we're going to take you through what needs to be done to get those working. We may or may not be able to do it, but we're going to give it our best effort. Let's get to it. We're going to try to get the lawn tractor fired up, but to do that we need a battery. And so this one's a little bit dirty, so we got some water, mostly water, a little bit of soap, that's fine. A little bit of a scrub brush. But before we even do that, we're going to see if it's got any voltage to it. It's been in storage all winter, so should be fine, but let's just check. We're looking for at least 12 volts. What do we got there?
12.22.
Oh, that's a little low, but it should be fine. So let's get it cleaned up, get it in the tractor, so you can get that thing fired up. So we're using the water just because that white stuff you're seeing, that's a little bit of the acid, the sulfide from the battery, possibly, and we just want to neutralize it before we go and put the battery in there. Wrench there, it should be good. All right, Logan's going around, he's put air in all the tires, got them to where they're supposed to be, didn't you, Logan?
Yep.
He's gonna give us a hand. All right, so now we're gonna put our nicely clean battery in here. It goes back in here. We'll make sure the plus side is on the plus side. Plus stands for?
Positive.
Very good. Okay, negative is? The minus. There we go. So we got our negative cable. It's going right to a ground down here, so we know that's negative. We got the positive, it goes to the relay here, so we know that's positive. All right, let's get this hooked up. Okay, as always, we've hooked up our positive first. We just finished hooking up our ground. I think the oil was checked earlier, but yeah, we got oil in there. Could use a little bit, but we're good. So now we're gonna test to see if do a crank test. Got the key. Well, the battery's definitely got juice, but we're probably going to have to prime it. Yard equipment, roll out. No, not that type of prime. Okay, we're going to prime this because she's been sitting too long. So how do you prime this? We're going to start by taking this off. Mice been in there chewing on it. Okay, we primed it. Let's see what happens. There's one machine running. Let's move on to another one.